Welcome to our channel. If you want to access free service trials through your employer's wellness program, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize your health and wellness benefits at no additional cost. Step 1. Contact your HR department or review your employee benefits documentation to understand what wellness programs and partnerships your company offers. Step 2. Register for your employer's wellness portal or mobile app, which typically serves as the central hub for accessing partner benefits and promotional offers. Step 3. Complete any required health assessments or wellness challenges that may unlock additional trial opportunities or increase your available benefits credits. Step 4. Browse the wellness program's partner directory to identify services like fitness apps, meditation platforms, nutrition programs, or mental health resources that offer trial periods. Step 5. Review the terms of each trial offer, noting the duration, whether payment information is required, and if there are any participation requirements to maintain access. Step 6. Select a service that interests you and click through to the redemption page using the link provided within your wellness portal to ensure proper verification. Step 7. Complete the registration process using your work email or wellness program credentials to verify your eligibility and activate the trial period. Step 8. Set reminders to evaluate each service before the trial ends and check if your wellness program offers ongoing subsidies or reimbursements for continued use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.